The affordable retro keyboard from Keychron. It's C2 Pro 8K polling rate for $65. Little screwdriver, extra keycap switch puller, Type-C cable. Web driver, no download software necessary. It comes in 3 different switch options: Keychron Super Red, Keychron Super Brown, and Keychron Super Banana.
Get cooked, brother. Oh, no.
Mission area is yours.
Get cooked, brother.
Double KO. You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. That's much better.
I'll take it. 25% win rate. That's it, baby. Anyways, smash like, subscribe. Keychron, buy it. $65. Bye.